So USB micro 的啦，所以我们插下去之后抬亮。
Hi guys, today I'll share with you a very special tool that can plug into the computer to adjust the setting DFT025F. What's so special about this tool is that there are plenty of settings to set on the tools for your preference. One of the main usage is they use it on installing solar panel. And there are several models for this series that come with different performance. For example, normally we turn the nut anti-clockwise for placement on the bolt and then clockwise to fasten the nut. With these tools, you can set, let's say, 0.5 seconds on counterclockwise and clockwise for 4 seconds. Tools is also suitable for automobile industry and other industries that need precise torque control. Makita will provide a specific software once you purchase the tools. It will turn from yellow light to green light once the tool is synced. Click the read button and all the information will be present in the software. There are 7 phases of setting for you to set. For example, for phase 1, you can set it for anti-clockwise, and then phase 2, you can set it on clockwise for 4 seconds, and phase 3, if you want to set it on anti-clockwise again, you can do it. You can set the speed, the torque, and many other more. Click the right button after all the setting is done and the tool is ready to go.
这个 tools reverse 塞前，如果是 not complete 的话，它就会出 error 了。
The real light indicate not complete, which means if you set the drill to run for 4 seconds after you press the trigger, but you release the trigger earlier than 4 seconds, it will indicate the red light.
先 set 因为我 set 第一个 phase 是 reverse 嘛，所以这我放 OK 啊。
地板 reverse 放好来。
就如果是这样的话呢，我变成我不用用手来拿了，我直接放下去，看到吗？所以我的那个手速我就可以变快了。
It indicates the green light once the course is complete, which means if you set for 7 phases, just press the trigger, then the machine or the tools will auto run until it reaches the phase 7 and it indicates the green light.